Christine, I just would love for you because, like, I know this is true for myself. When I join a particular platform, there's often one or two teachers that I end up practicing the most with. Like, there's a reason why I joined that particular platform. And when I discover a new teacher on that platform, I'm so excited because it gives my week that much more flavor and variety, new insights, new perspectives. And so this might be the first time that some interdimension people are getting a chance to meet you. Some people may have never even done your classes. So I would love for them to get to hear your story and what brought you to yoga, because it's such an interesting path that you've been on as a doctor of physical therapy, and then the integration of yoga and all of these other holistic practices that you've brought into your wheelhouse.
Yeah, it's funny because even when I think I've been a physical therapist for 16 years now, I graduated from University of Ottawa in Canada 16 years ago in 2006, and I remember starting to practice yoga, especially in my first year of college. And I remember thinking at that point, I really want to do yoga teacher training. And I kept waiting and waiting. And I remember having at one point thoughts like, I'm just going to do that when I retire, like in a few decades from now, and just kept putting it off. And I put it off for a while until I felt like I found the right training actually with Travis and yourself. And so, yeah, it wasn't until I guess it's, well, 2000, when did we do our yoga teacher training? Gosh, 2018 is when I did my 200 hours. So yeah, I had been working as a physical therapist for over a decade by the time that I embarked in my yoga teacher training. But it's always something that was on my radar.